Hello, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. Welcome to Free Business Effective Courses from the teachings of multi-millionaires. In this course, we will be proceeding with Session 5. Session 5, first point. You need to find all the ways to do your job better. I repeat, you need to find all the ways to do your job better. Make a list of all the ways you can improve on how you do your job. Then ask yourself why you do not improve. If you are not doing your job to the best of your ability, you should be using that extra time to do something at the side. You do not need to quit your job until your side hustle is generating enough cash for you. Going to the next point of Session 5 is people do not buy on price. You do not want to compete on price. You need to sell on brand. Where your price point lies says about who you are as a person. Make sure you have a good reputation and a better quality product. If people want something, they will buy it, even if it is expensive. The next point of Session 5 is you need to learn to shut up and listen. Most people, when they start a business, will not keep quiet about their business. That is not going to teach you anything. You only learn by listening. Anyone who is making money one way or the other knows something that you do not know. There is a lesson everywhere. Coming to the next point of Session 5, which is attention is free advertising. You need to get good at getting attention somehow. All advertising is buying attention. But buying attention is more expensive than getting attention for free. Find ways to get attention and monetize it. Get attention and do not be afraid to shamelessly sell, and sell. The world we live in now, we live in an attention economy. Attention is the key to get money in fast. Play on people's insecurities and make money. And that, folks, is the end of this session 5. See you, folks, in the next session. Thank you and goodbye.